This recipe is so nostalgic for me because it brings me right back to my childhood. My mom baked regularly and made this recipe every couple of weeks so that my sister and I could enjoy a traditional colazione donnicese. I'm sure there are similar recipes throughout Calabria, but this one is so special. What are these called? Well, I can't really call them cookies because we've always called them pastette, which I know translates into cookies, but that just doesn't feel right. These pastette are lightly sweet, fluffy and cake-like, gently scented with lemon, and perfectly shaped to dunk in latte cafe. Ah yes, pastette da inzuppare. My mom continued to bake these for all the grandchildren who often made their requests, and like any proud nonna, she lovingly obliged. It was only a couple of years ago that I realized I had never made them, so my mom and I had several baking sessions where I learned the feel of the dough, but more importantly, I wrote down the measurements. You see, she often baked using the quanto basta approach. I would ask her, so how much flour do you add? And she would respond, quanto basta. You add as much as it needs. That's the sign of an expert baker. She tenderly worked the dough to cut the traditional diamond shape, but sometimes I now bake them into loaves and then slice them. The other reason why these pastette are so nostalgic is that they remind me of how life comes full circle. With my mom's declining health, now I bake these for her every couple of weeks, making sure she can enjoy them for her colazione, either as a traditional diamond shape or slice. And God willing, this tradition will continue for another 100 anni. So, grazie mamma. My mom showed me how to have a beautiful Italian breakfast, and now I hope you have one too. I'm sure it's breakfast somewhere in the world. Enjoy.
Non è difficile. Se ti porta piacere fare una cosa, a te mangiare soprattutto. Vabbè?
Yep.
La pasta come te, vabbè?